Huh? Smoothie break. My man. And what they call you, young man? What's your name?
Jace with the game.
Was out here with me. What's up, man? It's Jace with the game. Let's see Juice with the game. We get ready to cut this grass. We're gonna trim that bush. We're gonna trim that bush. Then we're gonna go over there. It's a lot to do. Not yet. I got you. But this is what we doing. I got my boys out here working today with me, man. Weekend with dad. Weekend with dad. Let's get it. We get ready to start with this side right here. Remember that red button? Pull it. So I got Juice get ready to cut the grass right here. We get ready to cut. Man, Jace, you ready? Let's get it. Spread it out over there, flat. Getting it. Just throw everything on the tarp. There you go. Grab a handful. The more you grab, the less you gotta do later. He only 7. I'm getting them together though. My other young boy, he over there, finishing that up over there. You good?
I can't turn it.
You guys a little trick my old head showed me when I first started cutting grass. How to get up trash a little bit quicker, right? So what he did was, he took his foot, right? Like this. And he went like this, right? Go over to the trash. Got your trash. And you just go. Real quick. Real quick. That's it. With these two, go to the ends off this part. Make sure I no more on there. Let's try to get all of them off, all right? I'm ready to finish weed whacking real quick. And the youngins, we raking, we blowing, bringing everything down to me. And we out of here. Let's get it. So we just wrapped it up. Weekend with dad. My young boy, he did that bush right there. I'm so proud of him. He ain't blow everything off this one, but we'll get it. So, all right. This little side piece right here. In the back.